Ma'am, for triangle ABC,
Yeah.
vertex are A, B, and C. Sides are AB, BC, CA, and sides and angles are angle ABC,
Okay.
angle CAB, and angle let me see, CAB,
Yeah, and
and ABC. No. Uh,
you have this angle left. So this is
one
angle ACB.
ACB.
Okay. Now, Razan, you
Yeah.
tell me tell me what are the three types of triangles based on size? Based on size, what are the three different types of triangles? Razan, do you hear me? Razan, are you there? Okay, Manha, you tell me what are the classification of triangles based on size?
Equilateral triangle,
Okay,
isosceles triangle,
okay,
scalene triangle.
okay. What are these? What is an equilateral triangle? Define them.
Equilateral triangles which all sides are 90 degree.
No.
Uh,
Classification based on sides I'm talking about.
uh, oh, equal triangle means which is equal, which one angle will be 90 degree, equal to 90 degree.
See, I'm talking about the classification based on sides. Why are you bringing angle over here? Just talk about the sides. How are the sides? Are they all equal?
Yeah.
Tell me. Okay, Harmeen, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal.
Okay, all three sides are equal. So when in a triangle all three sides are equal, that is termed as an equilateral triangle. What is an isosceles?
Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal.
Okay.
Then equilateral isosceles. Then scalene triangle, three sides are different length.
Okay. Yeah. So Manhan, do you understand the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now tell me based on angles.
Ma'am, can you hear me now? A right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle.
What is the right angle triangle?
Which is equal to 90 degree.
At least one of the angle is equal to 90 degree. Yeah. What is an acute angle triangle?
Um, all sides are like all angles are less than 90 degree.
Okay, just give me a minute. Razan has some problem connecting. Razan, first of all, please put on your camera. Razan, please put on your camera. Okay, yeah. Now, Razan, please try to speak anything.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah. Uh, do you hear me, Razan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, Razan, we are discussing the chapter triangle and its properties. We've just started with the revision. Please listen carefully. Yes, Maha, what were you saying?
Yeah, acute angle is all angles are less than 90 degree.
Okay, next.
Then obtuse angle, one of the angle will be more than 90 degree.
Okay, very good. So, then we studied about classification. Okay, Razan will tell me what is a median.
A median is a line in which it uh, divides a triangle into two equal parts.
Okay, what is an altitude?
Altitude.
Yeah. Yes, what is an altitude? Who will tell me what is an altitude? Who will tell me altitude? Nobody remembers. What is an altitude?
Um, altitude is a line which cuts the median.
No, which cuts a triangle at 90-degree angle. That is an
Uh,
altitude.
90 degree.
Okay, like for example, this is a triangle. So if there is any line which is cutting at 90-degree angle. So this particular line, when I draw, it's cutting the triangle at 90-degree angles. So this is an altitude. Okay. And what is a median? Median is like, this is a triangle. For example, I have a triangle like this. I'll draw both the things. So what is a median? Median will cut it into two equal halves. So two equal halves is like this. So this is a median. See, median is not necessarily 90. It is not 90-degree. It can be 90, it cannot be 90. We do not talk about the angle in the median. Median will just divide it into two halves. But if I have to draw an altitude, how will I draw? I will draw a straight line. So this is cutting at 90 degrees. So this is an altitude and this one is a median. You understand? Okay, now we talk about the exterior angles. Okay, the exterior angle property of a triangle.
Excuse me, ma'am. On altitude, I have a doubt. Like
Yes.
on the first and the right side, you wrote like 90 degree sign. We can also write on left side also, or only in
Yeah,
one
it
side.
can see. Okay, look here. If I have a straight line and if I draw a 90-degree line like a perpendicular like this, now this angle is also 90 and this angle is also 90. I have two 90-degree angles. So I can draw both the sides. Okay, now
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have the exterior angle property. So what is the exterior angle property? Basically, it states that when you have a triangle, this is a triangle. Now it has three angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Now I can extend any of one line. Okay, for example, I am extending this line. So I will just extend this line. Okay, I will extend this line and I have this extra angle. This is angle number 4. And what is angle number 4? This is lying exterior. This is lying on the outside of the triangle. So this is an exterior angle. Okay, now we get to know that this exterior angle, how can we find this exterior angle? Is there some way? Or see, I can also do one thing, like I can also increase this line. I can increase any of the line, right? And how will I find this exterior angle? Does anybody know the exterior angle property? See, what we do is we will angle number 4 will be equal to the two opposite angles. See, which one angle is attached to angle 4? It is angle 2. So just forget angle 2. You will take angle 1 and angle 3. Okay, so angle 4 will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. This is only the exterior angle property. That if you have to find any exterior angle, what you will do? You will just add two opposite angles, two opposite interior angles. What are the two opposite interior angles? Angle 1 and angle 3 are two opposite interior angles. Okay? See, I'll tell you with one example. Wait. For example, you have this. You have like, this is a triangle. Now I can extend this line also. Let's extend this line. So you have, this is an exterior angle which is equals to 110 degree. This is equal to 50 degree. And this is equal.
Ma'am, you're stuck. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Your voice is not coming. You're stuck, ma'am.
Hello, students, do you hear me? Students,
Yes,
do you hear
ma'am.
me?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, yeah, so actually, I'm really Are you able to see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Please
No,
respond.
ma'am.
Is my screen not visible?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Can you see my screen now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait. I'll just dictate the question. Please write it down. The question is draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC, triangle ABC, where BE is a median, where BE is a median and BD is an altitude.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again?
Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC where BE is a median, where BE is a median and BD is an altitude.
Where?
BE is a median and BD is an altitude. Do you all understand the question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, have you all written the question?
Ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
please solve this.
Only
Has
18,
everybody
right?
written the question?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
triangle ABC where BE is a median and BD is an altitude.
Ma'am, if there's no E, how will we do it?
Razan, you have to draw a triangle of your own and then draw a median of it and an altitude of it. You have to draw and express a median and an altitude.
Okay. Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I am also done.
Okay, am I audible to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first, let's discuss the question that I've given. Has everybody done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is my screen visible now? Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So now we have, I'll just draw and tell you. Okay. So first of all, we have a triangle. So this is triangle A. One second. Wait. Yeah. So this is triangle ABC. Okay. Now, how will you draw the median? What is the median? Who will tell me what is
It
the median?
it divides the triangle into half.
Yeah. So what you'll do is you'll see half is like this. So you'll draw a line like this. So this is a median. Median was, I'm sorry, we had to draw a median from B, point B. So half of AC is like this. So the median will be like this. Okay. Now here the median is also, I can draw a triangle.
Ma'am, you muted.
Please just give me 1 minute, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. And how will I draw an altitude? Altitude will be drawn at 90-degree angle. So this is an altitude, which is D, DD. So do you all understand the question?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, what about Razan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now we have the next question. Please note the next question. The next question is, draw a triangle XYZ. No, wait. Draw a triangle PQR. Draw a triangle PQR where PQ and PR, where PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle. Where PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle. Have you all written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please solve this. Has everybody written or should I repeat?
No, no, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
मेरा भाई
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's not clear. Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done,
Am I
ma'am.
audible to everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, I had some network issue. Now it's fine, and now we can just continue our class. Okay. So we were doing a question I dictated. So here the question is, wait a minute. You have to draw a triangle PQR. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You have to draw a triangle PQR. PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle. Okay, so how will you draw? So you can draw a triangle PQR of any shape. So I'm saying this is triangle PQR, and I have to draw PQ and PR. So PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle. PQ and PR. Oh wait, I'm sorry, maybe I dictated the wrong question. So you have to draw a triangle where PC, this can be any, like PC is one altitude and QM is another altitude. So these are the two altitudes, okay? PC and PM are the altitudes. Fine? You just have to draw the altitudes of the triangle. You all understand the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now we have the next thing. We were doing the exterior angle. So do you all understand the exterior angle property? What happens is, I'll just revise. In an exterior angle property, like I have one triangle like this. Okay, this is one triangle. If I have three angles, one, angle two, and angle three. Now, if I extend any of the line and draw any of the exterior angle, let's suppose that I'm extending this line. Okay, so I have this exterior angle. This is my exterior angle, angle 4. So what will angle 4 be equal to? Angle 4 will be equal to the opposite angles. Tell me, what will angle 4 be equal to?
Angle 3.
Angle one and two. Angle
Angle 1
and two.
plus angle 2. Who said angle 3?
Angle 2 and plus angle 1.
Yeah, it's angle 1 plus angle 2. It's not angle 3. How come angle 3? I said opposite angles. Angle 3 is not opposite to angle 4. You'll cut angle 3 and take angle 1 and angle 2. Okay. So now I'll give you some questions to do. So here's the question. This is one triangle and I have extended this line and have drawn an exterior angle X. This is 50 degree and this is 70 degree. You have to find X. Quickly do this question.
Ma'am, I found it.
Razan has done.
1 minute, ma'am. Let me check. Yes, ma'am. I finished.
Okay. So what's your answer,
Yes,
Razan?
ma'am.
120.
Yeah. So X will be equal to, X is
120.
an exterior angle. So X will be equal to 50 plus 70. X is equals to 50 plus 70. So X is equal to,
120 degree.
120 degree.
yeah, it's equal to 70
120.
plus 50.
Yes, ma'am.
120 degree. Okay, that's correct. Yeah. Now you have the next question. This was the first question. Second question is, you have this triangle 65 degree, 45 degree. It's third one is X 30, 40. Find the values of X in both of them.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Let
Done,
others also do. Wait, let others also do. We discuss together.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so let's discuss. So we have in the first one again, x will be equal to
110 degree.
110 degree.
65 plus 45, which is
7
equals to
110 degree.
110 degree. Good. And over here, x is equals to 30 degree plus 40 degree.
70.
70.
Yeah, x is equals to 70 degree. Good. So next we have these Rubik's 3 questions as well.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So let's discuss. The first one doesn't tell me.
First one is 120 degree.
Okay, how come 120? Explain with reason.
X equal to 60 plus 60, x equal to 120.
Okay. So x is equals to 60 plus 60, which is equal to 120 degree. Correct? Next, x is equal to
X is equal to 50 plus 50,
yeah,
100 degree.
it's equal to 100 degree. Correct? Next,
Then 30 degree plus 60 degree. X is equal to 90 degree.
okay, very good. So I'll give the last few questions. Over here, you have to find the value of the unknown. Now, it's not necessarily that x is the exterior angle only. X can be interior also. Find the value of x.
Ma'am, I found it.
Then please do the questions slowly and carefully. Okay, do both the questions and then revise the questions and only then tell me the answer.